Hello everyone, today we will introduce you to a brand new widget who cross-sells in your favorite Elementor library Essential Add-ons. This new widget can help you promote your goods simply and persuade buyers to add to their carts other related or complementary goods or services in addition to the ones they had planned to purchase. Let's see how you can configure who cross-sells in your stores with simple, straightforward steps. But first, make sure you have Elementor WooCommerce and both Essential Add-ons Free and Pro installed and updated on your WordPress website. From your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Products and then select the All Products option. Now from the list of products, select the ones that you want to add for cross-sells and hit the Edit button. In the Edit section, scroll down and go to the Linked Products tab. Here in the cross-sell section, type in the products that you want to add for cross-sells and hit the Update button. Now, from the top left corner, go to Widget Store and add the products you like. Next, click on View Cart to check your cart and go to Essential Add-ons for Elementor from the top left corner. Let's edit the cart page with Elementor. From the Elementor search panel, search for Who Cross-sells. From the Content tab, you can choose from a number of visually pleasing layouts. Select the number of columns and also how you want to order your products, as well as the number of products you want to show. You can also select Custom Image Area, from where you will be able to choose the image render type. Now, edit the cart components. Write the heading as needed. You can also display or hide the title, price, and buttons. From the Style tab, you can customize the style of thumbnail, product details, and buttons. After you're done styling them to your preference, hit the Update button and that's it. Now when you add the product to your cart, in the View Cart page, you will see cross-sell products being displayed, and you can directly add them to the cart from there. That was easy, wasn't it? Subscribe to our channel to stay updated with more videos like this.